Hey, Dane,
Yes, sir.
did you get my message about texturing?
No, I did not.
I sent you a text. It'd be nice to have a demo on texturing. I've tried a few times and I'm not getting anywhere. Birdhouse
Okay.
Bob
Yeah,
and the
I
rest of them do a lot of that. So
right.
What are you trying to use to texture with?
I've got a crown texturing tool and I've made some
Okay.
of my own.
Yeah. The crown with the wheel, the tooth wheel.
Yes.
Yeah. If you will put that
Oh,
in, if you'll put that into the wood with just a slight downward angle and just push straight into the wood, I think you'll find you get a real nice pattern from that.
All righty.
so treat it. So with the texturing tools, you want to treat it like a scraper. So it's the same concept, with the tool rest a little, raised up enough to where the cutting surface is
Mm-hmm.
right at center. You want to have your speed somewhere between 500 and 700 RPMs. And as you go in and you put it against it, and then you gradually just raise it up, but you don't move it, and then you let it take hold and let it get a good bite on it, and then gradually move it, across the surface that you're wanting to texture.
Well, okay.
There's a YouTube video that Jeff Hornick put out. Actually, he didn't. He was a demonstrator, but he was demonstrating his Moroccan blue bowl, that technique where the whole thing is textured inside and out. Um, and he has a lot of good insights on the actual texturing. If you can find that video, I think you'll learn a lot there. I did.
All righty. We'll try it.
I just got in. I'm sorry. Were you guys talking about texturing face or texturing spindle?
I believe just texturing in general.
Because I did a short demo here in the club a while back on
Yes,
how to put the spirals on a goblet stem with the Sorby spiraling tool. So sounds exactly like what you were just describing, Dane.
Yep.
I
Yeah,
know
well,
you got a demo.
exactly. Yeah.
Yep, and I second what Doug said about Jeff Hornung's video. He's very good at those bowls he makes, and there are a lot of good techniques in there. There's also some very good ones out there by Nick Agar, where he demonstrates the sorbity texturing and spiraling and the decorating elf. Both very good videos.
Yeah, and then Sam.
The Wyoming
from Wyoming,
yeah.
The former Buckeye.
Angelo.
He's got a lot of texturing as well. The Wyoming wood turner.
Yeah, Sam Angelo.
Yeah, Sam Angelo.
Now I won't be able to remember my own name here in about 10 minutes, but I remember that.
Right, there you go.
Hey, Doug, you've got a video out here showing exactly that.
Texturing?
Yeah.
I've done one or two. I did a Moroccan blue, yeah. And that was my first attempt, and I was amazed. I did that right after watching Jeff's video when he demonstrated it.
Yeah, I think I did a texturing on a crotch piece a couple of years ago as well, maybe 3 years ago. But we can do FaceTime when I get back to Arizona and get situated, Ron, and I can get you squared away on it, one-on-one sometime.
All righty.
So there's Doug Miller's video.
We're in chat?
Yep, in chat.
Thank you, Matt.
All right.